So with regard to the geography, there's not left. I think it's in the storage. And this is to store externally. We have it in version 16, and we have several providers, Amazon, Microsoft, Loomis, etc., which allow me to store files in an external repository in my application. And basically what we have is a property, which is a storage provider. I will tell it which provider I'm going to use. By default, I have one, and I can store there videos, images, etc. But if I change something, I have to give it the credentials of the account I have and store it in the same one. So in V15, this is what we have. We had the local storage, and now we have the possibility of putting in the storage provider images, videos, etc. Now in version 16, we can store the blocks there too. And we have to do something similar to what we did. A blob file that is very similar to the blob. So if you're going to use external storage, you have to pass it to the blob file data type.